Narinig ko tong kantang to and I just realized, what if yung lyrics sa yung message natin para kay Jesus? Pakinggan natin at internalize natin bawat istansa ng kanta.
I was down and out and feeling so low. You took my hand and eased my mind. I was astray, you showed me the way, and now I finally found my home in you. I still recall the times I've been through, confused and didn't know what to do. I almost gave up, but you gave me hope. You made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. You were always there to lend a helping hand when good friends were hard to find. When things went wrong, you made them right. You've made my days so bright. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own.
Narinig nyo ba guys? Di ba? Sobrang accurate ng lyrics, lalo-lalo na pag may pinagdadaanan ka. Kung may problema ka, itaas mo lang sa kanya, kausapin mo siya. Believe me, ang sarap sa pakiramdam.